The V60 is one of the things that has helped shape specialty coffee to become what it is today. A world-renowned brewer capable of making the most incredible coffee in the world. I'm not just making that up. And today I'm going to show you how we like to brew a very simple V60 recipe, one that's so easy anyone can really do it. But we do recommend you have a gooseneck kettle. So first of all, you're going to need a paper filter like this one. I like to rinse these into a separate container. That way you can keep your water and help use it for dishes or watering your plants or whatever you like. Plus this way it also means that less papery aroma gets trapped inside whatever vessel you're brewing into. Then we're going to need some coffee. Today I'm going to be using 15 grams of Githaiathi from Kenya. And I'm going to be grinding at the finest end of my filter setting. Once we have our rinsed filter and our ground coffee, we can start brewing. And I'll be doing my first pour of just 50 grams. Once that's done, I'm going to pick up the V60 and just give it a nice little swirl. This is going to help saturate more of the coffee and increase our extraction and give us a bit of a nicer flavor. After pouring that water, we're going to wait until the 45-second mark before we start pouring more water. Once we're there, just going to very gently fill up to the 250 gram mark. Just by pouring in gentle circles quite close to the actual surface of the water and the coffee. For this recipe we're using boiling water, which is just going to help us increase our extraction a little bit more than if we were using cooler water. And we find it tends to bring out the best qualities of our coffee. Once you've finished, give the vessel a little bit of a swirl and just watch as it drains down. We're aiming for around the 3-minute mark. But of course, sometimes your brews are a little bit faster, sometimes your brews are a little bit slower. There's a bunch of factors that can control exactly how long your coffee brews are going to take. What we always encourage is you taste first, ask yourself if you like it. If your brew is on the faster side, try grinding a bit finer. And if it's on the quicker side, try grinding a bit coarser. But what we're looking for is a really nice sweet cup with a good balance and a good level of flavor clarity of these wonderful notes we find inside this coffee. Kenyan coffees always have such a beautiful aroma. This coffee is no exception. This is a really sweet, easy and simple V60 recipe that's going to yield you consistent results every time. If you try the recipe, let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.